Hi everyone, I hope you are all well. If you want to learn how to make this swimwear, keep on watching. You will need lycra or a spandex fabric with at least 75% stretch. Lay your swimwear flat on the paper. Trace around the swimwear and add 2 cm of seam allowance around the whole pattern. Then cut it out. Cut a piece of fabric to make the neck strap. Sew along the edge of the fabric. Attach the neck strap directly to the swimwear top. Cut another long strip for the chest strap. Take the strip and attach the end to a safety pin. Use the safety pin to help you insert the chest strap through both of the hems of the top. And this is the top. Now let's do the bottom. Cut your fabric into 2 sections. Don't forget to add 2 cm of seam allowance around the whole pattern. Sew the edges of the front section. And the back section too. I'm going to make the ruching on the back of the bathing suit. Find the center of the bathing suit. Thread the string through the needle. Now you have to go through one side and back through the other. Keep repeating that movement. Pull the needle through and make sure it's tight. And you are finished with the ruching on your bathing suit. Sew the bottom edges and attach the straps. Let's see how it looks. Give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't, and I'll see you next time.